In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use the Baby Brezza Smart Bottle Warmer with your phone, how to connect it, and then how to use it. So what we're going to first do is go to your App Store or Google Play, whatever you use, and we're going to type Baby Brezza, just type Baby Brezza, there you go. You will get one that says Smart Bottle Warmer. Now you want to download that. It is free, it doesn't cost anything. We're going to go ahead and open the app from here. As you can see, it starts out saying scan for your bottle warmer. Okay, it says scan for your bottle warmer, but you've got to have the power on first. Be sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Be sure that once on, you click scan for your bottle warmer. It will say bottle warmer connected. You will see your different settings, just like we talked about in the other video, which is how to use the Baby Brezza Smart Bottle Warmer. We're gonna see what type of settings we have here. All right, so we're gonna go setting 4, we're gonna go room temperature, and we're gonna use steady on that. It gives us time. I kinda like that. It gives us how much time it's gonna take before, we use the bottle warmer. So we're gonna go ahead and get that in there. All right, so all you have to do is hit start, and you will see that I am not touching it, but it will start. I'd like to point out that it also has the setting guide in here in case you're not sure. You can click the setting guide and it will tell you how you need to set your bottle warmer for different things. So in the setting warm guide, this is the same thing that I showed you on the manual in the previous video. You have quick warming room temperature, you have the quick warming cold temperature, you have the steady warming room temperature, and then you have the steady warming cold temperature. One more thing about this is that you cannot be more than 20 feet away. So I'm gonna test that. See how far away I am. I'm about 3 feet away right now. I'm at the other side of my house right now. You don't have to stay watching this. You can, do other things on your phone if you want to go, check out TikTok or whatever else. You just go do whatever else you need to do. We are looking at our phone. 3, 1, 0. So I also get a notice on my phone, and the sound on my phone says ready, bottle is ready. I can say okay. I can come over here and check the bottle now. So we're gonna open this thing up, pull this bottle out. It's warmed up nicely. I'm gonna assume this bottle is a little hotter just because of that. Be sure, if you have not watched how to use the Baby Brezza Smart Bottle Warmer, you watch our video, which is right here, how to use the Baby Brezza Smart Bottle Warmer, because it will tell you more in detail how to use this Baby Brezza Bottle Warmer. Pretty cool that you can use an app, I think. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below, let me know.